Alright everybody, so this is day 3 of SEMA, and I had decided to take a detour over to another event that's happening at the same time, and it's called AAPEX, and it's run in conjunction with SEMA. Try to get to a little quieter corner over here. It's run in conjunction with SEMA, and it's basically all auto parts and tools and lubricants and all that kind of stuff. And I'm hoping to find some cool stuff over here as well. But this is like a whole nother event. Not quite as large as SEMA, but this is still a pretty big event. So budget some time. It took me a while to get over here from SEMA. So if you come to SEMA, budget a little bit of time to get over here and check this stuff out. But there's a lot of really cool stuff here. So let's go take a look. Alright everybody, and a trip to SEMA/AAPEX would not be complete, for me at least, without checking out Jamie Orr's super dope City Golf. This thing, 3.6 liter VR6, it's been started in South Africa, went to Germany, now is here in Las Vegas at like the biggest car show in the world. So, man, I love this car. It is super cool. Eurowise, Black Forest Industries partnered together with him to help build this car in South Africa in 5 days. Can you believe that? It went from a rolling wreck to what you see here. Man, that's amazing.
It's pretty interesting though that how they fit it in there and everything. Did a nice little...
Alright, so AAPEX is a very interesting event, and if you come down here to SEMA, you should check it out. It's all kinds of auto parts, anything that's auto part related, but yeah, you're gonna need most of a day to get around and see everything. I literally trucked through here as fast as I could, and now I'm trying to find my way back over to SEMA. But I got to see the City Golf, and that was the impetus of coming over here this morning to check that out. So now it's time to get back over to SEMA and see what's going on over there. Alright, so we are out on the very far end of the SEMA event area at the Continental Driving Experience. So we're going to stand in line here for a little bit, get our stuff entered, and then we're going to go slide around the track a little bit in some BMWs, which should be pretty fun. everybody, that is it for my SEMA 2018 coverage. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I've tried to bring you guys like a variety through the 3 videos of a whole bunch of different stuff that was at the event. So, no more SEMA coverage until next year. Time to get back into the garage and start working on stuff here. Until next time, get out there and work on something.